Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. This is my first scrapbook layout of 2022. It's actually my first layout in over 2 years. Here I'm showing you the 6x6 paper pad that I will be using as part of the background for the photo or the photo map. We ended up moving across the United States and I put my scrapbooking room into storage. We have yet to move that out here with us. So the only things that I have were my 6x6 paper pads, and I have bought ephemera off of Amazon and I have thrown it all into a box, and it's my ephemera box. I do know that some of it is from Tim Holtz and Simple Stories, but most of it is just a mishmash of a little bit of everything that I could find on Amazon. So here I'm showing you a sticker book that I got at Hobby Lobby that I'll be using. I love these stickers. If you're starting out with the bare minimum, or you're trying to keep it simple, these sticker books, I really enjoy those, and will be getting more until I get my creative juices flowing back again. And I think I'm going to keep things minimal this time around. Yes, I do have things in my storage that I'll eventually have out here, but for now I want to keep it minimal. So the sticker books help me to keep it minimal. So you'll see a lot more of those. Here I'm just placing some of the random ephemera, and I end up changing the photo paper. Oops, my son kicked it, I'm sure, or I kicked it myself. Let me fix it back. All right, and like I said, I was saying, I go in a completely different direction. Excuse me. With the paper, because I started going through the ephemera and had this bright idea to bring out the color in my shirt that I am wearing in the photo. And you'll see that coming up here. And here you'll see me switch out that background paper I was talking about earlier. I'm going through my paper scraps that I have over to the side to see if there's anything there that I could use. I do know that some of these paper scraps are from the Prima's older collection of the 6x6 photos, or paper, not photos, I'm sorry. And so I don't currently have the name of those right offhand. Some of them are just loose sheets that I have in my 6x6 paper pad box there. But here's where I start arranging and rearranging, adding, taking away, trying to figure out. It takes me a minute before I commit to the final layout, before I start laying things down, because I want to use all the things and I want to layer it, but I have to start out slow. I'm a little rusty on this, so I have to give myself time. And here you will see the 6x6 Prima papers. This is where I start trying to bring out some of that color in the shirt, and then separate it with the ephemera in between the picture and the background paper. And once again, I will arrange and rearrange and eventually get to the final product. And here is where I commit to how I want my layout to look. I start to glue down the pieces. I rearrange them again just to make sure that that's how I want it and how I want things to look, and I can stick them down. And here you'll see I just take a white Uniball pen and I draw lines around the edges. I'm not looking for perfection on it, so no, they're not straight lines. They're just a little wobbly. So I draw those around just to pop them out a little bit and separate a little bit more. And then I use that same pen to write in selfie and the date. It is very rare that I take selfies and actually like them and scrapbook them. I need to utilize that more. As I've gone through my scrapbooks, there's not a whole lot of myself. And that is the final layout. I hope you enjoy watching and that you like and subscribe.